Ever pondered about the roller coaster ride of Bitcoin mining? Let's embark on a journey through time to understand the ups and downs of this fascinating world. Rewind to late 2021. A company named Marathon Digital Holdings decided to take a bold step. They planned to sell $500 million worth of convertible senior notes due in 2026. The agenda? To use the funds for tasks like acquiring Bitcoin or Bitcoin mining machines. However, this announcement triggered a 17% drop in their stock price. Yet the fluctuations in Marathon Digital stock didn't deter the rise of Bitcoin. By the end of the year, Bitcoin had more than doubled in value, surpassing a whopping $1 trillion valuation. Fast forward to mid-2022. The bear market had arrived, causing a downturn in Bitcoin's price and an upturn in mining difficulty. The result was a 68% plunge from the peak mining revenue potential. As the profitability of Bitcoin mining dwindled, Bitcoin mining stocks also took a hit. Leading companies saw their prices drop by 50 to 60% on average. It was a challenging time for miners, especially those with high operating costs, yet those with lower production costs managed to stay afloat. Now, let's jump to the present, late 2023. Marathon Digital is back in the game, gearing up for the Bitcoin halving. They've acquired 2 operational Bitcoin mining sites from Generate Capital, aiming to double their hash rate over the next 2 years. Meanwhile, at the Web Summit 2023, crypto was pushed to the back burner despite impending ETF news. In other news, Cathie Wood's ARK has been shedding its grayscale Bitcoin Trust shares, one of its top 3 holdings. On the other hand, BlackRock, Cathie Wood's ARK, and WisdomTree are revising their Bitcoin ETF plans, aligning with the US SEC's cash-only model. So, what have we learned from this journey? Bitcoin mining is a volatile venture influenced by market conditions and company decisions. Yet companies like Marathon Digital continue to strive, adapting their strategies to the changing tides. As we move forward, it's clear that the crypto world will continue to evolve, presenting new challenges and opportunities. Stay tuned as we continue to navigate this exciting world together.